This video is for design of digital systems. This is lab 5, the vending machine. So let's see. So we can see that we start with a value of 55. For some of the sodas, we can increase this value with the buttons. And then we have up to, we have up to $3 on the left here. And then we have anything other than that is special. Here shows our money. So if we press this button, we get pennies. So we can increase by a couple pennies, and then we have our reset button, which just resets our money. We can also do nickels here, which increases our value by 5, so increases it by 5 every time. We also have dimes, which are here. That increases it by 10 each time. And finally we have quarters, which increases it by 25. And then we can just hit the quarters, and our max value is 10. And then at 10, our LED 3 turns on, saying that we can't add more money anymore. So as you can see, even if we try and add a penny, we can't. That LED turns on. All right, let's try and purchase something. So if we only have 1 penny and our soda costs 55, and then we press the purchase button, we see that LED 1 turns on. That means no purchase. Let's say we do have enough money, so let's give ourselves 56, and it costs 55. So if we press it, we purchase the soda, we can see that LED 0 turns on briefly, and that the amount is subtracted from our money. Let's see, then we have the finally have the special case. If we try and purchase this, our LED 2 turns on briefly, so we can't purchase this. We could try and add money. Oh, so we're at 10 now, so there we go. And then let's add more money. We'll try and purchase that. LED 2 says that no, it's a special case. And then all of this gets controlled with the CPU reset. And here we can just go back to our original values, and we can see that the values for the soda are 55, 85, 95, 135, and $3. And we can also have 125, 250, and all the way up to 3. So yeah, that's 150 as well. 225, 250, and then 3. So it goes up by 25, it seems. Yeah. I'll do all the combinations really quick so we can see that. There you go. And then it just goes to 3. But all the buttons work. Penny, nickel, dime, quarter, 41. Try and purchase, doesn't work, LED 1, and so on, and reset.